everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I want to share with you my pesto recipe, a wonderfully green sauce with so much flavor in it. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make it. It's so good, guys. So guys, give it a try at home and you can use it on your pizza, pasta and sandwiches. And again, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Have a lovely day and see you next time.